Welcome, everyone, to today's discussion on AI job displacement. The title of our talk is Not So Fast AI Job Displacement, Likely Substantial, Yet Gradual. While there's growing concern about the impact of AI on employment, we're here to explore how these changes are expected to unfold more gradually than many fear. This presentation, powered by Avir, will guide us through understanding the nuances of AI's role in the future of work. Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe to stay updated with our new videos. The fear of AI is a prevalent topic today. As AI becomes more integral across various industries, concerns about job displacement continue to grow. There's an ongoing debate about how AI will replace jobs and whether this change will be abrupt or gradual. It's essential to critically assess not just the potential scale of AI-driven job displacement, but also the pace at which these changes are likely to occur. Understanding this will help us prepare and adapt more effectively. AI impacts our jobs in two primary ways. First, there is the displacement effect, where AI directly replaces human workers in performing specific tasks. A common example of this is using AI for defect detection in factory lines, which traditionally required human inspection. Secondly, we have the productivity effect. AI can create new job opportunities by increasing demand for labor in emerging roles driven by technological progress. For instance, the role of a prompt engineer who designs and refines AI-generated content is a job that didn't exist before AI advancements. Both effects demonstrate how AI influences the job market in diverse and sometimes unexpected ways. AI's impact on jobs varies across different education levels. For high education jobs, such as those in AI development, data analysis, and other advanced technological fields, AI creates more opportunities, leading to an upward trend in employment. On the other hand, middle education jobs, often found in routine and manual tasks, face a downward trend as AI systems become capable of automating these roles. Interestingly, low education service occupations, like those in personal care and hospitality, may see an increase in demand because these roles often require a human touch and interpersonal skills that AI currently cannot replicate effectively. Understanding these dynamics helps us see where job growth and decline are likely to occur. This slide illustrates the stages of AI automation, showing how we move from human-only work to full automation. Initially, tasks are performed entirely by humans. As AI is introduced, it operates in shadow mode, observing and learning without direct involvement. Next, AI provides assistance, supporting human workers in their tasks. This is followed by partial automation, where both AI and humans share the workload. Finally, full automation is reached, where AI performs tasks independently. Notably, the process involves a human-in-the-loop deployment, ensuring that humans oversee and guide AI operations at critical stages, which helps to manage the transition and maintain control over automated processes. Here are some statistics highlighting the potential impact of AI on jobs. By 2030, as many as 39 million Americans could face job displacement due to automation. Around 50 of the hours spent on manual work, related tasks might be automated, affecting thousands of jobs. There are approximately 2,000 work-related activities across more than 800 professions that are likely to see some form of automation. Within the next decade, over 4 of all occupations could be fully automated. Interestingly, by 2030, 85 of the jobs that will exist have not yet been designed, indicating the evolving nature of the job market and the opportunities for new roles to emerge. AI job displacement is likely to be gradual rather than sudden, and there are several reasons for this. First, barriers to rapid AI adoption, such as high costs and the ongoing need for human oversight, slow down the pace at which AI can be implemented. Additionally, the complexity of replacing human roles, which often involve nuanced judgment and emotional intelligence, makes full automation challenging. Regulatory frameworks and ethical considerations also play a significant role as societies grapple with the implications of widespread automation. Lastly, many scenarios do not allow for complete automation, ensuring that humans remain integral to the workforce for the foreseeable future. To avoid being displaced by AI, it's essential to take proactive steps. First, focus on upskilling and reskilling continuously. This includes learning AI-related skills to stay relevant in your industry, enhancing soft skills like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, and pursuing continuous education to keep up with evolving industry trends. Second, leverage AI as a tool rather than viewing it as a threat. Integrate AI into your work to automate routine tasks, allowing you to focus on more strategic and value-added activities. Collaborate with AI to enhance your performance and outcomes, making AI a partner in your professional growth rather than a competitor. In conclusion, while AI is poised to significantly impact the job market, this transition is expected to be gradual, allowing time for adaptation. The key to navigating this shift lies in proactive adaptation, continuously learning, reskilling, and incorporating AI into our daily work routines. Rather than viewing AI as a competitor, we should see it as a collaborative tool that enhances human capabilities. By focusing on tasks that AI cannot easily replicate, we can maintain our relevance in an evolving job market and find opportunities for growth and innovation. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into the gradual impact of AI on job displacement and the strategies we can adopt to navigate this changing landscape. If you have any questions or thoughts, I'd be happy to discuss them further.